So we will start with the class. And today being Saturday, first thing we do is check the tables, and then we will see what do we do after tables. Everybody ready? Can you hear me okay? Okay, cool. So okay, let me do one thing. When you guys join, that is when this AI starts. Let me see what is Mr. AI doing. Done. AI is done. Killed for good. Okay. So let's start on number one. We'll start with Noah. Noah, ready?
Yeah.
Table till 11. 9 9 there.
81.
6 7 there.
42.
5 8 there.
40.
7 7 there.
49.
9 8 there.
72.
Wonderful. Very nice. Shall we ready?
Yes.
Table till
12.
12 8 there.
90. Wait.
One more time.
96. Sorry.
96. 8 9 there.
72.
2 3 there.
6.
12 8 there.
96.
8 9 there.
72.
9 8 there.
72.
7 7 there.
What did you say? 60.
7 7 there.
49.
Wonderful. Good job. Lunch.
15.
15 6 there.
15 6 are 80.
90. 9 9 there.
81.
12 8 there.
96.
13 7 there.
91.
8 9 there.
92.
14 6 there.
46. 81.
15 9 there.
15 lines. 125.
Good job. Let's go to Mishika. She is the one who scares me every day. Okay, table till
25.
25. I would give up beyond 20, okay? But let's see. 14 6 there.
14 6 84.
17 6 there.
112.
18 9 there.
162.
22 8 there.
22 8.
Mm-hmm.
176.
Will it not be 396? No, what did I say? 22 6 there, right?
22.
8 there.
2 times 8.
Okay. Alright, now I myself got lost. See, that is where I give up beyond 20.
20 times 8 is 160, and 8 times 2 is 16, and 160 plus 16 is 170.
That's the calculation I would do. So yeah, I mean I would not stress on memorizing that much, but okay, let's see. 19 5 there.
19 times 95.
16 8 there.
Wait, did you say 16 8?
Mm-hmm.
128.
Good job. Let's go to Praneeth.
Give me the 30.
13 6 there.
78.
12 4 there.
48.
9 9 there.
85.
6 8 there.
28.
12 9 there.
12 9 108.
13 8 there.
13.
13 8 ja.
And a 4.
Good job. Let's go to Sanli B.
13, sir.
13 12 5 ja.
16.
2 7 ja.
14.
12 9 ja.
No. 108.
13 7 ja.
91.
4 8 ja.
32.
13 7 ja.
91.
12 6 ja.
72.
Good job. Samanvita. Samanvita, table till 12. Okay. Keep your video on it, okay? I want to see all the kids. Okay, no problem then. I mean, if there is a technical problem, I'm not bothered. Okay, so you said table till 12 4 ja. 4 9 ja.
36.
6 7 ja.
42.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 8 ja.
96.
6 7 ja.
42.
Good job. Let's go to Mr. Nihit. Nihit. Table till 12 4 ja.
48.
5 9 ja.
45.
6 8 ja.
48.
12 7 ja.
84.
9 9 ja.
81.
Good job. Let's go to Mr. Yugan. Yugan, ready? Yugan, you are mute, better. Better mute yourself. Salmi B, that is Yugan only, right? Okay. I will come back to Yugan again. Let's go to Anika. Anika, ready?
13.
13. Okay. 12 5 ja.
60.
9 8 ja.
72.
13 7 ja.
91.
8 8 ja.
64.
13 9 ja.
117.
7 8 ja.
56.
Good job. Let's go to Mr. Sivakeswa. Sivakeswa, ready? Show me your cute face. Okay, I can see it now. Okay. Table till.
32.
13. Always be louder, beta, okay? Because if you don't speak loud enough, I have very old ears now. It needs a lot of maintenance. Okay? Alright. 13 4 ja. 52. 9 9 ja.
81.
12 5 ja.
50.
13 6 ja.
78.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's 40.
12 9 ja.
What?
12 9 ja. 108. Yep. Okay. I forgot to turn on the video. No, I did. No, I thought that I forgot to record the class. No, but thankfully I did not. So, yep.
I'm gonna come to in-person class tomorrow.
I'm sorry, bro?
I'm gonna come in person tomorrow.
I love that. I would make sure that I clean the classroom, make it look shiny, bright, and happy for the kids who are coming to the classroom in person. Okay, now I'll wait to see you guys, okay? Whoever comes to the classroom, that makes me really happy as a teacher, okay? Let's go to Sanvi G. Sanvi G, turn on your video, unmute yourself. Sam?
I'm muted, sir.
Yeah, you were muted before, yeah. Okay, table till 12, 12 6 ja.
50.
12 6 ja.
Oh. 72.
6 6 ja.
36.
7 6 ja.
42.
9 6 ja.
54.
2 6 ja.
12.
12 9 ja.
108.
Wonderful. Now Mr. Yug, unmute yourself, keep your video on. Table till Yug. Good morning. Wake up. Yug.
Sorry, sir, it was still working for some reason.
Okay. Table till
Table till 11.
9 5 ja.
9, 5 till 45.
6 8 ja.
6, 8, 48.
Okay. 9 9 ja.
81.
5 7 ja.
5, 7, 35.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja.
9, 7, 72.
63. Yep. 9 8 ja 72. 9 7 ja 63. Okay. So that, okay. Now I have one more child who has not shared table, that is Aniket. Aniket, table till 11. 9 4 ja.
36.
4 9 ja.
36.
6 8 ja.
48.
9 4 ja.
36. You gave
Some-
me 3 questions with the answer 36.
Sometimes I run out of ideas, so I keep on repeating the question. But regardless, the idea is no matter how many times you come across a multiplication, as long as you know it right, you'll not go wrong. Okay? 7 8 ja.
7, 8,
56.
56.
Yep. But you are doing awesome, okay? I remember initial 2 months. Every time I'll ask you tables, you will say table till 4. And in less than 2 months after that, you have gone all the way to 11. I love that. Very good. Okay? Now, I will do one last call. Mr. Yugan has been there quietly. Yugan, can you hear me okay? You have not shared your tables. Singing after the class. Singing after the class. Okay, Yugan. Okay. Alright. I will catch hold of Yugan some other time. So, this weekend is going to be our last week for the geometry thing that we have been learning for some time. Okay, so area and perimeter of two-dimensional shapes. That's what we have been learning and practicing. So this will be our last week on geometry. From next week we'll pick up something else. When I say week, meaning today and tomorrow, we'll deal with geometry, meaning area and perimeter of some shapes, and then from next week we'll go to something else. I have not decided yet what, but once I look at the syllabus I'll be able to figure it out. Now let's try to understand how comfortable are you guys with area and perimeter of rhombus and kite. After that we'll go to trapezoid and circles, if anybody forgot. See, I scared Shanvi, she dropped off. So what I'm telling you guys is, this is a rhombus. This is a rhombus. I'm telling you in advance. This is a rhombus. Find out the area and perimeter of the rhombus. This side's length is 8 centimeter, and this one and this one, the diagonals. Diagonal 1 is 15 centimeter. Diagonal 2 is 12 centimeter. I need your help to find out the area and perimeter of the rhombus. And we have learned in the last class what is area, what is perimeter of rhombus. So I will let you guys deal with it and then tell me how much it will be. And if somebody gets stuck, that's a good sign, meaning something for me to teach. Nihit, you're hiding your face behind the keyboard. Nihit is using the keyboard as a mask. Oh, don't do that, don't do that. So, yeah, try solving it. I'm curious to figure out how comfortable are you guys to find out the area and perimeter of a rhombus, for which we are given this side as 8 centimeter. One diagonal is 15 centimeter and second diagonal is 12 centimeter. If you guys know what, yeah.
Where's the height and what is the height of the rhombus?
There is no height. I don't know the height. Because height doesn't help. Yes, Noah.
What is the height?
Tell me that.
90.
90 is what? No, so I asked two questions. My question had two parts to it. What is the area and what is the perimeter? So you have to tell me 90 is area. 90 what?
90 centimeters. So 90 centimeters square.
Okay. Let's see what Sami says.
My answer for the area is 140 centimeters square.
Okay. And how about perimeter?
I don't have one for the perimeter because I forgot I have to use it.
Okay. Let's see what Nishita says.
The area would be 90 centimeters, and the perimeter, I forgot how to do the perimeter of the rhombus.
Okay. Let's see what Shyami says. Shyami, go for it. Tell me.
For area, I have 90 centimeters squared.
Okay.
Perimeter, I have 27 centimeters.
How much?
27 centimeters.
Okay. Praneet. Who's playing with the stopwatch? It keeps coming in between. Don't do that. Yeah, Pranay.
So for my area, I got 90 centimeters square, and for my perimeter, I got 32 centimeters.
Okay, so that was the perimeter 32 centimeters or 32 centimeters square?
32 centimeters.
Okay. I will give you guys 1 more minute to make sure that everybody gets a chance to do it, and then only I will tell. I will not even tell who is right, who is wrong. I will do it, and then you guys will know whose answer is matching with mine and where we missed. Okay? So 1 more minute is what we have. Praneet. No, Praneet, not Praneet, sorry. Nihet. Yugan. Anika. Shivakesava. No problem, that's, I will do it. That's the reason why I keep going back to the concepts over and over again, right? Many times my kids tell that, okay, I have already learned this. We learn it and we also forget it, and that's very normal. Yes, okay, so tell me, what did you get?
For here, I got 90 centimeters square. So we got 32 centimeters.
Little slow and loud. Area I heard, 90 centimeters square. What is perimeter?
32 meters.
How much?
32.
32 centimeters. You guys have to get into the habit of shouting at your teacher. I mean, don't be disrespectful, but shout back. Say, okay, sir, my answer is 32 centimeters. Because that is how people like me of my age here, okay? You have to be loud. Okay. Yes, Samrita.
For area, I got 90 centimeters square. And for perimeter, I got 27 centimeters.
37. Okay. Now I think it's my turn. If I am not able to solve it, then you will say that my teacher is illiterate. He doesn't know how to solve problems. And still he says that I will teach you guys, isn't it? I don't want to be that one illiterate teacher whom his kids don't believe. Okay? So, here's the deal. And I'm not saying who was right, who was wrong. Everybody knows their answer. They can verify it. Now, when it comes to perimeter, Praneet, you can clap after I'm done solving this problem. Don't clap in the middle. Okay? So here, any shape in the world, and if I want to talk like you guys, I'll say any damn shape in the world. Yeah? Yes, Sarvi.
Like a human shape?
No. I'll not go there. I'm saying any shape or any two-dimensional shape that we have talked about so far. Okay? So, any shape, the perimeter is nothing but length of all the sides, only the outer sides. Now, when I'm talking about a rhombus, what do you guys know? What you know is if it's a rhombus, it's nothing but a squeezed square, meaning all the sides are of same length. So if this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8. All are 8 centimeters. So first thing, nobody has to remember the formula for perimeter, okay? You have to just look at, okay, what is the length of all the sides? Can I find it out? Yes, I can find out because it's a rhombus, so all sides are of same length. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16 centimeter plus 8, 34 centimeter plus 8, 32 centimeters. So perimeter is 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Only for the rhombus. And again, it is because you guys know. Yuk, tell me. Your mute, unmute is happening every alternate second. What do I do? So don't worry about it, you, okay? If you are, I don't know if you are going to hear me or not. If you are not going to hear me, disconnect and join. If you are trying to give your answer, yeah.
Yeah. Can I go to the bathroom?
You know the protocol for that?
No.
This is the protocol. When you go to the bathroom, do this. When you come back, you do this. And only once. Don't do it 50 times. Because nobody goes to the bathroom for 50 times in 1 hour class. Okay. Alright. So here, coming back to the perimeter. Go ahead. Don't try to suppress the nature. It gets complicated. Coming back here. Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. And if I'm talking about rhombus, all the sides will be of same length. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Whether you add 8 plus 8 plus 8 or you say 4 times 8, I don't really mind. It will be 32 centimeters. So anybody having any doubt about perimeter? Yes, Swami G. Yes.
I don't have a doubt for perimeter, but is there like a certain formula to find the area?
We'll come to that. We'll come to that. So right now, I'm doing the easy one first. Okay. Any shape that we talk about, perimeter is nothing but the length of all the sides. Okay. Swami is trying to say something. Swami B.
I remember now.
You remember now? Okay. Good.
I forgot.
So again, see, my recommendation to you guys would be, don't put a lot of effort for memorizing formula. Put more effort for understanding the shapes. Take a picture of that, okay? In your mind.
Okay.
We have 2 cameras here. This is one camera, this is one camera, this is another camera. Take picture with those cameras and store that in your mind. That will work. Yeah?
Like a camera and a photo book.
Yep. So coming back to this one, perimeter, any shape. You talk about rectangle, you talk about square, you just have to remember, okay, what is my square? All 4 sides same. Okay, do I have one side? Yeah, I know. Now I multiply by 4. If I'm talking about rectangle, okay, rectangle has opposite sides equal. So if I know one side this way, one side this way, 2 times of this side plus 2 times of this side. Done. That's my perimeter. See, are you saying something?
Can you please repeat how you got the perimeter once more?
So, perimeter doesn't need any extra effort. Okay? Only thing we need to know is, it's a rhombus. So rhombus is nothing but a squeezed square. I had a square, all 4 sides same. I squeezed it from 2 corners. It became thinner and taller. Yeah. So my all sides are same. We were given only one side, but since it's a rhombus, meaning all sides are the same. So 8, 8, 8, 8. Add it all together. That's it. Yeah. Now comes the next shape. Not next shape. Sorry. Now comes the area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus. Sometimes you guys have to memorize formula because you guys are too young. Area of a rhombus, there is a formula for it. And that is multiply half into D1 into D2, where D1 is one diagonal, D2 is second diagonal. So multiply both the diagonals, divide that by 2. That will be the area of a rhombus. And this formula is derived, we can derive it when you guys are all 13 and a half year old. Okay. So I will wait for you guys to all to turn 13 or maybe 14, and then I will explain you why and how this formula came into existence. It's the same thing. We all take flight for traveling from one place to another place, right? If you have to go somewhere, you take flight. But somebody would have came up with the idea of making the planes to make it fly, and there's a lot of science behind that. So all the science behind how this formula came into existence, I will explain.
Brilliant.
Hold it. When I'm talking, nobody else has to talk. You have to wait for your turn. You have to, no, hold it. There is a protocol for the class. Nobody has to talk in between. You have to raise your hand, then I'll let you talk. So let me complete. So what I'm saying is, so right now we are just going to use this formula like we use planes for flying from one place to another place. When you guys grow up a little bit, I'll explain you how the plane was built or how this formula came into existence. There is a concept behind it. That needs a little more deeper understanding of things. Yes, Aniket, now you can talk.
The Wright brothers made the first airplane.
Yeah, right.
In 1903.
Yeah, be it Wright brothers or wrong brothers, we'll figure it out later. That is outside the syllabus of this class, and I agree to what you said, and that's right information. But my example was for a different reason. What I was saying was, any formula that we learn about, I will explain you guys how that formula came into existence. But yeah, but I explain that when it's right time, because this needs some more concepts to be learned, which you guys will learn a little later. Okay, but the formula that you have to remember for now, for next couple of years, is area of a rhombus or a kite is half into d1 into d2. Now, some of you forgot what is kite. We'll come back to it. But be it area of a rhombus or be it area of a kite, both are same as half into d1 into d2, and where d1 and d2 are the diagonals. So, if you look at this question, I have given diagonal 1 as 15 centimeter, diagonal 2 is 12 centimeter. So what you will do is, you will just plug in the value here, half into d1, 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter, that is d2. So basically 15 into 12 divided by 2 into centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter becomes centimeter square, 15 into 12 divided by 2. Now you can do tic-tac-toe or whatever you want to do. Misika will say, I know table of 15, so 15 12 is 180, divided by 2 is 90. Or somebody who is not as good as Misika with tables will say, okay fine, 15 into 12, 12 I can write as 6 into 2, divided by 2. And we'll do tic-tac-toe here. So 15 into 6 is 90 centimeter square. So whoever got 90 centimeter square was the right answer. Yes, Sadhi ji.
Sir, where did you get the numbers 15 and 12?
Diagonal 1 is 15 centimeter, second diagonal is 12 centimeter.
Yeah, that I know that, but how would that apply to the perimeter? What?
It's not perimeter, it's the area. Area of a rhombus is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, or diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 by 2.
But the rhombus you're using now has all 8 or 8.
No, so in the question itself I said that this is the rhombus, this side is 8 and diagonal 1 is 15 centimeter, diagonal 2 is 12 centimeter. That's what I had given.
Oh.
Yeah. Even the assignment that I had given to you guys last week or no, last week, yeah. There also the questions I had given, they were the value of the diagonals given to them. Okay. Now we are going to the next. Remember this: area of a rhombus or kite is both using the same formula, diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 divided by 2. Okay. Remember that formula. We are going to the next problem now. Okay. Alright. This is a kite. I am telling you guys this is a kite, okay? So you guys have to believe me. This is a kite. Let me give it a name also, so that you don't have to worry about it. Here, this side is given as 8 centimeter. This side is given as 15 centimeter. Okay? This diagonal is given as let's say 18 centimeter. This diagonal is given as 7 centimeter. Now you have to find out area and perimeter of this kite.
Wait, what are the two diagonals?
Yeah, so this diagonal is 18 centimeter. This diagonal is 7 centimeter. Let me write it D1. Diagonal 1 is 18 centimeter. Diagonal 2 is 7 centimeter. And then you see the side. This is 8 centimeter. This is 15 centimeters. I want you guys to find out the perimeter and area of the kite. Yes, Laksh.
The area of the kite is 63 centimeters square, and the perimeter of the kite is 46 centimeters.
How much you said?
The perimeter is 46 centimeters, and the area is 63 centimeters square.
Okay. I don't know whether that is right or not, and I'm doing that on purpose so that Laksh can give you his own answer. Everybody else can find their own. Yes, Savi G. Savi G, you have raised your hand up. Alright. Shanvi, tell me what is your answer?
My answer is
Two answers coming together? One by one.
my perimeter is 50 centimeters, and my area is 126 centimeters squared.
Okay. Let's see what Noah says. Yes, Noah. Noah
is 63 centimeters square.
Okay. How about perimeter?
I'm still working on my perimeter.
Okay. Laksh.
I changed my area. My area is 83 centimeters square.
Okay. We'll see. Yes. Okay, so go ahead.
The perimeter is 50 centimeters, and area is 160 centimeters square.
Okay. Now I am not even writing those answers because I am getting so many answers. I will get confused. So I am not writing it because when I solve it, then you guys can verify your answer and see if I am doing it right or you had done it right. Yes, Anika.
For perimeter, I got 46 centimeters.
Okay. And area?
126 centimeters squared.
Okay. Anybody else? Yug, what's happening? Yug.
Yeah, I'm still to get up to.
Okay.
I don't know if you caught it.
Okay, Praneet.
For my answer, for the perimeter, I got 46 centimeters.
Uh-huh.
And for my area, I got 63 centimeters square.
Okay. Let's see what Sonamita got.
For my area, I got 63 centimeters square. And my perimeter, I got 46 centimeters.
Okay. Nihit, what's up? Nihit will say I'll reply on WhatsApp. Okay, Noah, tell me, you're saying something.
My perimeter is 43 centimeters.
Okay. Alright, so everything that I heard from you guys, I have totally forgotten because I don't want to bias myself. Nate, first thumb down, then a face. What is it? Tell me, unmute yourself and tell me what is going on. Sanvi B, tell me. See, one thing I'm very happy about is, now you guys, when you guys are giving the answers, you are being very cautious about the fact that area cannot be centimeters and perimeter cannot be centimeters square. That one thing is cemented in your mind. Right? I did not hear anybody saying my perimeter is 46 centimeters square. Nobody said that. So that's a good sign that everybody is kind of getting used to it. That okay, if I'm talking about perimeter, I'm talking about length of all the sides. That cannot be square. Similarly, if I'm talking about area, I'm talking about the area where I'm multiplying something by one side by another side, and it has to be square. Here, there is no big deal, simple calculation. Ravi, that was for you. That smile of mine was for you. Okay, so coming back to this one. If I am talking about a kite, this is the thing. First thing is, okay, kite, what is the property? The top two sides are same length, bottom two sides are same length. Let's make it same. So 8 centimeters, so this is also 8 centimeter. This is 15 centimeters, so this will also be 15 centimeter. I don't have to remember any formula for perimeter. We'll try to minimize the amount of formula we have to memorize. 8 plus 8, 16 centimeter, 15 plus 15, 30 centimeter. So 30 plus 16 centimeters. So 30 centimeter plus 16 centimeter. 8 plus 8, 16 centimeters. 15 plus 15, 30 centimeters. That becomes 30 plus 16, 46 centimeters. Wonderful. Perimeter, everybody was clear about it. Now area. Area, like I said, area of a rhombus or a kite is nothing but diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 divided by 2. What is my diagonal 1? Diagonal 1 is 18 centimeter. What is my diagonal 2? 7 centimeter divided by 2. So now centimeter into centimeter became centimeter square. Let's keep it aside. 18 into 7 by 2. 18 into 7 by 2. Now Mishika will say 18 times 7 is 126 by 2. Or you guys can also use another technique. 18 you can write as 9 into 2 and then 7 divided by 2 centimeter square. So 2 and 2 you can do tic-tac-toe. 9 7 is 63. 63 centimeter square. So this is my area. Everybody clear? So again, most of you got 63 centimeters square for area and 46 centimeters for the perimeter. If somebody did not get that value, the sky is not falling. It's okay. It's okay to make mistake. What mistake you might have done? Either you did not use the right formula, or while doing calculation you probably calculate something wrong. So that is why whenever you guys do a problem, I always keep saying that solve a problem. Don't be overconfident about it. Review what you have done. Clapping has to stop. My speech is not over yet. Okay, so coming back to the point, what I was saying was, when you solve, okay guys, no, hold it, everybody hold it. Praneet, Sanvi, V, everybody. Nehit. Okay. Guys, stop playing with emojis, please. So what I was saying was, it's a very good idea to solve a problem. Once you got the answer, give yourself 30 more seconds to review what all you did. Did you make a mistake anywhere? So the way I'm solving, right, I'm doing it step by step. So if I made a wrong calculation, I'll say, okay, fine, area d1 to d2 by 2, d1 is this, d2 is this, by 2, centimeter to centimeter becomes centimeter square, 18 to 7 by 2, 18 I broke into 9 to 2 into 7, tic-tac-toe, 9 times 7, 63. Okay, wonderful. Even if God comes and tells me that your answer is wrong, I will be very confident, no, God, I did it right because I have done the review. And that is very important while doing math. Okay? When you do math, always spend or keep 30 seconds for you to review what you have done. And always solve it like you're writing a story. If you write the story, you will know where you went wrong if you did. Okay? Alright? Any questions? Are you clear? Nate, are you clear? Shyamli, you also clear?
Yes.
So when we were small, we had two sample brands. One shampoo was called Pantene, other one was called All Clear. So now All Clear. Okay? So use that. If All Clear, we'll use that shampoo for washing our hair tomorrow. Alright? We'll use All Clear. Let's move on. So, something interesting about our childhood, right? You guys have lot of things, lot of options to choose from. When we were small, we had 3 brands of soap, 2 brands of shampoo, and that is all we had to choose from. Soap, Hammam, Lifebuoy or Synthol. Shampoo, Pantene and All Clear. You guys don't know how many options are there. Probably hundreds, maybe thousands. Yeah? So, anyway, those were side discussion not needed. Let's come back to the class. Now, everybody stop emojis. You also. How many times? 3rd time bathroom. Don't do that. See, if somebody is having loose motion, they go to bathroom so many times. If you are going to bathroom for a different reason, so many times, I don't know what motion it is. Yeah? Don't do that so many times. Okay. Coming back to, see, you guys have to deal with my dad jokes. I don't have a choice. That is so inbuilt. Who all can tell me what exactly is the name of this shape that you're seeing on the board? Yes, Laksh.
A trapezoid.
Okay. Anika?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Mishika? Trapezoid.
Yeah.
Samli B? Trapezoid. Praneet?
Trapezoid.
Everybody trapezoid. So trapezoid wins the election with majority. Everybody said trapezoid. So this is the shape called trapezoid. Or we also call it trapezium. Some people call it trapezoid, some people call it trapezium also. Okay? But don't worry about that. Both the names, mostly trapezoid, sometimes you might heard trapezium, both are the same thing. Now, what is the property of this shape? What is the property of the shape? If you have to tell me 2 lines about trapezoid, go for it. Yes, Samli B, tell me.
It is a quadrilateral and it kind of looks like a rectangle, but it's like on the floor.
On the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on the floor.
Lunch.
I meant square on the floor.
Okay.
Two obtuse angles, two angles, and the sum of interior angles is 180 degrees, no, 360 degrees.
That holds true for all the quadrilaterals. So okay, let's see what Anika says.
It's a 4-sided shape, and it's also half of a hexagon.
Okay, let's see what Praneet says. Praneet, dancing after answering the question. Tell me what you want to say. Mr. Praneet, you have raised your hand.
There are 2 lines that are not parallel. There are 2 lines that are not parallel, and there are 2 lines that are parallel. two obtuse angles.
Okay. You.
It has two corners that are the same length, and the other two are the same.
Okay, Sanvi.
They have like they're one side. They have one pair of parallel lines, and like it's kind of like a quadrilateral, or it is a quadrilateral, and it has like two obtuse and two acute.
Okay, so see, here's the deal. What I was trying to do was, I was wanting to borrow information from you all, then I'll package it and say this is my idea. Okay, that is kind of a little mischievous, but no, that jokes apart. If you have to describe a trapezoid, it belongs to a quadrilateral family, no denying that. Be it a rectangle, square, trapezoid, kite, parallelogram, everything is part of quadrilateral family. No discussion on that further. It has four angles, no talking about it even. It's the same thing. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral, it has to have four angles. The most important thing that you want to know about a trapezoid is, it has only one pair of parallel lines and they are not of same length. If you want to describe a trapezoid in one line, you will say that a trapezoid is a quadrilateral which has only one pair of parallel lines and they are not of equal length. Everything else that you guys told me, okay, I'll take it, not keep it with me, because my memory is small. So things that is not very important for me to know, I will probably hear it but not store it, so that my memory has some space for future stuff. On a serious note, trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only one pair of unequal sides. Only one pair of unequal sides. Yeah? One line. Now I'll give you guys 30 to 45 seconds to digest this one line of statement. Store in your mind. I'll just go grab the charger of my laptop, otherwise it might die down anytime soon. Just 30 seconds. Okay, so my battery is still charged, but my laptop was running very low on battery. So that's why I had to get the charger for this guy. Okay, now, see. Yep.
I have a question. Does anyone know where our teacher is?
Teacher went to a cruise. Okay, guys. Don't get super excited that your teacher disappeared. It was just my laptop running low on battery.
It's just a weird word.
Yeah. Yeah. Your teacher will not spare you guys. 1 hour means solid 1 hour of torture.
We have 2 minutes left.
Okay. So, yeah. So coming back to the point, we will probably I'll just do one thing. In next 30 seconds that we have, area of a trapezoid is equal to half into height times sum of the two parallel sides. If this side is A, this side is B, I will add these two and find out this height, multiply the sum of this with the height and divide that by 2. And I know that might sound cryptic, that is how it has to be. When we solve few problems tomorrow, that is when you will see it is not as scary as it looks in the beginning. Okay? So let's not worry about that. Yes, only B. Perimeter, you just need the length of all the sides, okay? Because it doesn't give you more detail. If somebody says find out the perimeter, this guy you say okay, give me the length of all the sides. Parallel sides length is given to you. You say okay, give me these two sides, I will find out the perimeter for you. Alright? With that being said, I will let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Remember, Halloween is over, but tomorrow we'll have a scary day. No, I'm just kidding. Alright? Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye.